Well, those kids are really amazing. You know, that Graham Ellis who keeps those HICCUP circus kids juggling and balancing and flying through the air has been doing that for the Big Island for 25 years. So I think it'd be great to get him. Now, as our rather dapper stage crew brings the piano out, our wonderful, brilliant, fabulous, amazing, stupendous conductor extraordinaire will wobble her way up here, little flappy duck feet, and take her nest at the old 88s here. Because my co-host, as you know, isn't out here at the moment.
I'm available still.
Yes, Randy, you made that perfectly clear earlier.
Really?
Persistent little fellow, isn't he? Yes. Anyway, so next up, the wonderful, the beautiful, the talented Miss Janelle Neiman singing I Love a Piano.
As a child I went wild when the band played. I would run to the man when his hand swayed. Clarinets were my pets and a slide trombone I thought was simply divine. But today when they play I could hiss them. Every bar is a jar to my system. But there's one musical instrument that I call I love a piano, I love a piano, I love to hear somebody play on a piano, a grand piano, it simply carries me away. I know a fine way to treat a Steinway. I love to run my fingers over the keys, the ivories, and with the pedal. I love to meddle, not only show tunes from Broadway. I'm so delighted I got invited to hear this short-haired genius play. Well, you can keep your fiddle and your bow, give me a P-I-A-N. Oh, whoa, whoa. I love to stand right beside an upright or a high-tone baby grand. When a green tetrazzine starts to warble, I grow cold like an old piece of marble. I allude to the crude little party singer who don't know when to pause. I detest at her best the soprano, but I run to the one at the piano, for that's the musical accompaniment I like best. I love a piano, I love a piano, I love to hear somebody play on a piano, a grand piano. It simply carries me away. I know a fine soprano. Bye.
That was simply marvelous. You know that Janelle, she loves to dress up in glittery gowns and sing, and you know when she can do both at the same time, it's just grand. What's this? A magic act? You know, I looked for a magic act for this show, and I tell you, they're harder to find than a winter coat in Hilo. But, let's see, it says, Ginzu the Great Magician and Knife Thrower. Ginzu Knife Thrower. And Prestidigitator. Well, it's a little bit unconventional. You know, we don't usually have write-in acts in our variety show, but, you know, what the heck? What do you say, folks? You think it's a good idea? I live to please the audience. So, ladies and gentlemen, Ginzu the Great.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Great Ginzu. For my first trick, I'm gonna pull the rabbit out of the hat. Nothing up on my sleeve. Now, I need your help to say the magic word. So repeat after me, please. Abracadabra. Ready? Abracadabra. And presto.
There's no rabbit.
He was here a minute ago.
Hey, you're that guy with the phone earlier. What the heck are you doing out here?
I'm sure I know what you are talking about.
Can I get I need an usher, please.
Wait, don't throw me out. I have the act on the show.
Yeah, we just saw it.
No, I really do. It's a nice throwing act.
Well, Janelle.
You've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, we're not going to see it now either.
Bring it on, fellas.
I always wanted to be in a magic act.
What have you got there? Hey, I thought you got rid of this nut earlier.
Are you calling a nut?
Not you, sir. The other nut. Yeah, you.
Well, first I need a volunteer for my act.
Well, I always wanted to be in a magic act.
Janelle, I don't think this is a good idea at all.
Oh.
No.
Lovely lady. Perhaps you would like to be my assistant, yes?
Well, I'm not so sure about that. I don't know if I came prepared.
Well, Janelle, it's up to you. Janelle, I hate to tell you, but the rabbit died.
I've never heard that before.
Hey, that's a real rabbit.
It looks more like roadkill rabbit to me.
Lovely lady, perhaps you would like to stand over here, next to against here is thing here. Yes, lovely lady, yes, a lovely lady. Yes. Here you go, a lovely lady.
Randy, you may get your chance sooner than expected. I'm ready. I look lovely in a dress.
No, I'm not so sure about this.
Don't worry, it's all right. I am the Great Ginzu, yes!
Hold your applause till the end, okay?
Now, I must have a perfect silence. Be quiet, please.
Yes.
Silencio! Silencio!
You're not going to hear a word out of me. That's all I can say. Not a peep.
A peep, 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 peep!
Okay, here we go. And one, and two, and
Look out back there.
What happened?
At least that cat may take more lives.
Hey, see, you got one.
Good shot.
All right, now, silencio! Now, we're gonna try again here.
Hey, don't hit the palace this time, okay?
I tried very hard. It's very nice clear. 1, 2, and 3.
Holy cow!
And 3 once. And little 1 and 3 came out. How's that?
Well, okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Am I still alive?
Just barely, dear. I've never seen anything like that. Ladies and gentlemen, the great Gonzo!
No!
beginning to feel the same way about this show.
Oh, Clay, you know we're both kidding.
Oh.
Everybody in the show tonight has volunteered all of their time and talent to assemble this fabulous show for the audience.
That's true. That is true. Well, Janelle, in light of that, let's not waste any more of their time and get on with the next act.
All right.
This next act is quite amazing. It's called Cosmic Dance, and it's performed by the lovely and flexible Lilia Kandemi and Stuart Hayter.
Good job, Clay.
Hey.
Lovely pronunciation.
I'm very clever with the linguistics.
That's Italian.
Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand for Cosmic Dance. That was simply beautiful. I tell you, very, very nice. Our next act is no less beautiful. In fact, we have a very special guest with us here tonight. Who is that, you might ask? Well, okay, I'll tell you. You missed the rehearsal, okay? By the way, you guys are a great audience tonight. I want you to go out and tell all your friends if you enjoy the show to help fill these seats at the Palace Theater for the remaining 2 shows. Next up, we have a wonderful favorite of yours and mine from days gone by, the amazing Miss Hilo Hattie. Aloha, Hilo Hattie.
Aloha!
You're looking a little hoarse today.
Well, Keely's been feeling a little under the weather.
Let me give you a... So why is he feeling a little down?
Well, last night before we came home from Molokai,
Yes.
I had a terrible nightmare.
I see.
He dreamed he was attacked by a giant marshmallow.
Giant marshmallow.
When he woke up, his feather pillow was gone.
Well, that would explain why he's a little down in the mouth. Well, I'll let you to your business, my lady. I'll let you go.
Well, there we were in Molokai visiting the mayor. Well, I was visiting the mayor, and Keely was visiting a mayor. They dressed quite informally on Molokai. Why, the mayor, he was wearing, well, I'll tell you what he was wearing. He wore a mallow and a coconut hat. One was for this and the other for that. The people shouted as he went by. He was the cockeyed mayor of Kaunakakai. He was just a lazy, mighty howler boy. The girls were crazy to share his fish and boy. He wore a lei, he wore a smile. He drank a gallon of oat to make life worthwhile. He made them laugh until he made them cry. He was the cockeyed mayor of Kaunakakai. The horse he rode was skinny, a broken down old female. So he placed a green panini right under that horse's tail. He made her buck, he made her fly all over the island of Molokai. You could hear the cries and what they cheer as they gave him a layer of picanha. Now you've heard my story about the man of Kaunakakai. Oh, his fame and glory on the island of Molokai. He wore a mallow, a coconut hat. One was for this and the other for that. The people shouted as he went by. He was the cockeyed mayor of Kaunakakai. He was the cockeyed mayor. Cockeyed mayor. He was the cockeyed mayor. Cockeyed mayor. He was the cockeyed mayor of Kaunakakai.
Well, Janelle, that was quite entertaining. I have a little riddle for you, my dear.
Yes.
What has 12 legs, 6 wheels, and goes in a figure 8?
12 legs, 6 wheels, and goes in a figure 8. I don't know.
Well, rather than tell you, we'll just show you. Ladies and gentlemen, the HICCUP Circus on unicycles! Aren't they amazing, folks? Just beautiful, beautiful.
Our community is truly blessed to have the HICCUP Circus on the island.
That's true, we are.
You know, Clay, the Big Island is the most culturally diverse county in the entire United States of America. I think that is a wonderful, wonderful thing. And in the spirit of cultural diversity, we thought we'd introduce a little culture into our program. Up next, we have an operatic solo from the international tour of the Wagner Ring Cycle. Alto, Dam Divina Deliciosa.
I think it's Dam Divina Deliciosa, not Dam Divina.
You haven't heard her sing yet.
That's true. You know how that's the WTF part, right? Okay.
No.
Well, that's okay to say that. I saw it. Yes. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, riding the Valkyries, not riding the Valkyries. Dam Divina Deliciosa.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, my dear. Let's get out of the way.
I'm so shocked, Clay.